Please like, share and subscribe to keep us going.
Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are two buzzwords that have been thrown around a lot lately. But what is AI and ML exactly? Simply put, AI refers to the ability of machines to imitate human behavior and thinking, while ML is a subset of AI that enables the machine to learn from data and experiences. In this 10-minute video guide, we will cover the basics of AI and ML, including how they work together to provide sophisticated, technology-driven solutions to real-world problems. We will also discuss some common applications of AI and ML, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, among others. Whether you are new to the field of AI and ML or just want to brush up on the basics, this is the perfect place to start. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the field of computer science by providing machines with the capability to perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. AI allows computers to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on that knowledge. One of the most awe-inspiring achievements in AI is the ability of machines to perceive and interpret visual data like humans do. This has paved the way for a wide range of applications such as self-driving cars, facial recognition, and image classification. Furthermore, speech recognition has reached levels of accuracy that were once deemed impossible, allowing for natural language processing. As the use cases for AI continue to expand, we can only expect to see new and exciting applications emerge that push the boundaries of what machines can achieve. How does AI work? When it comes to artificial intelligence, AI, the use of algorithms and mathematical models to analyze and interpret data is essential. This means that AI is not only able to process vast amounts of data quickly, but it can also recognize patterns and make predictions based on that data. Through the use of advanced machine learning techniques, AI can be trained to make increasingly accurate predictions as it learns from the data it analyzes. Deep learning takes this even further, allowing AI to analyze large amounts of data and learn from it in order to make predictions that are even more precise. Whether it's identifying fraud, predicting customer behavior, or detecting disease, the use of AI provides invaluable insights that can help organizations make better decisions and ultimately improve outcomes. What is machine learning? Machine learning has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence by providing machines the ability to learn, adapt, and improve their functionality independently. Its ability to automatically identify patterns and make highly accurate predictions based on vast amounts of data industries across. From self-driving cars to chatbots, machine learning continues to push what's possible with technology. Furthermore, with advancements in deep learning, a subset of machine learning machines perform complex tasks that were previously thought to be impossible for them. As we continue to generate more data and improve our algorithms, the potential for machine learning to transform our world is endless. Types of machine learning. Machine learning is a rapidly expanding that has revolutionized the way technology is developed. There are three main types of machine learning algorithms that are used in modern technology. Supervised learning involves using labeled datasets to train the machine learning model, which means that the data classified to train the model. Unsupervised learning involves using unlabeled datasets to adaptively train the model, which can help machines learn to categorize or cluster data on their own. Lastly, reinforcement learning involves using a trial and error method to train the model by getting feedback on its predicted actions. All these types of machine learning are essential in creating advanced technology which can adapt and learn from the data it receives. Applications of AI and ML. AI and ML are revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. They are not only limited to image and speech recognition, autonomous vehicles, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and natural language processing, but they are also used in healthcare to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments, in finance too, and in to predict natural disasters. AI and ML are helping businesses become more efficient by automating processes in manufacturing, supply chain management, and customer service. As more and more industries adopt AI and ML, we to see even more breakthroughs and advancements near future. The future of AI and ML. The advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have opened up a vast array of applications in various industries. The healthcare sector, in particular, has seen a significant improvement in patient care due to AI and ML technologies. Innovative technologies enable medical experts to analyze medical conditions more accurately, personalized treatments for patients. Autonomous systems powered by AI and ML have also become increasingly smart solutions for traffic management, public safety, and supply chain logistics. Robotics is another field where AI and ML have brought a significant impact, revolutionizing the way industries operate. The exciting future of AI and ML brings endless possibilities, and it will be fascinating to witness the limitless potential that these technologies have to offer. Conclusion. Thanks for watching our 10-minute video guide to know what is artificial intelligence and machine learning. We hope you now have a better understanding of these groundbreaking technologies, their applications, and their impact on our daily lives. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have the potential to transform numerous industries and change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. We recommend keeping up with the latest trends and developments in AI and ML by subscribing to our channel and staying tuned for more informative videos like this. Lastly, feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below.
Please like, share and subscribe to keep us going.